what do you think, like the three things which you want to tell somebody who is opening a new clinic, that three things they should keep in their mind? What will be those things?
So when you are about to open your clinic, the most important thing is the location, the visibility and the accessibility of that place. If you are new, nobody knows you much in that area, you have not marketed your clinic, and you are opening it at a third floor in some old building, obviously the patient walk-ins and OPDs is going to be less. So at the start, I would definitely say if you're not able to buy, maybe rent out a place which is more accessible, has a good parking space, because that's very important for patients nowadays. Has good wheelchair accessibility, because we get so many geriatric patients who cannot climb stairs. So might as well open maybe a smaller one at the start, but a ground floor space will look better. I decided to open the clinic in a crowded area, in a market area. So I had a chart corner beside my clinic, which used to drive a lot of people in that area, and so the board got a lot of visibility. So that is accessibility, visibility. Then I also checked about the demography of that area, like what is the rental value of a normal 2 BHK flat? What is the expenditure of those groceries? What kind of shops are nearby me? So we had a more outlet nearby our clinic, which is like it's a driving force for the population. Then I checked out what is the cost of living. So the cost of living and the demography was quite good. Like we used to get a 2 BHK around 30 to 35,000, which is the upper middle class segment in India. So that's how I decided, okay, this is the area which is really good. What kind of dentistry I want to practice? Maybe the patients over here will be able to afford it and will be able to understand. More than affording it, it means they should be intelligent enough to understand that, okay, I'm talking about implants, I'm talking about full mouth replacements, I'm talking about good quality crowns, like metal free crowns. So if you want to practice that kind of dentistry, you must try to be in a place where your population, your target population is present already. So these are the things which I checked out, and it has been good